Ever wondered how powerful a simple sneeze is? A single sneeze blasts out of your nose at about 100 miles per hour. When you feel that tickle, your body contracts chest muscles, diaphragm, and throat to expel air and clear irritants. This sudden burst can launch thousands of droplets into the air, spreading germs quickly. That's why covering your mouth and washing hands is so important during flu season. This tiny but fierce reflex protects your airways daily without you even thinking. Nature's mini cannon keeps your nose squeaky clean. Love surprising body facts? Subscribe for more fascinating truths.